Yo, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing about question set number 40. So this what do you call question uses the database Relational Center. So here are like the tables which we are gonna be using today. So we have to do like a couple of selections and projections. So just ignore this. So right, the first question, so let me give you guys some time to read the question. So just pause the video right here and read the questions. I think you guys have read the question, so I will explain to you what this means. So the first question suggests that we have to write a relational algebra query to see the product name of the registered product. So use the product stored as a product table. Okay, use the product stored in the product table. Okay, yeah. So to do this, you have to use the projection operator, which is the 5 mark. So we are talking about this table, so you need to only select the product name. I think product name of the registered product, so you need to only select this, view this, not selection. Okay, so let me open up a new equation, and then we are gonna do this. So projection is the 5 mark, right? So let me do this. First of all, put a subscript and select the 5 mark, and then normal text, and then product name, right? Copy this field name only, paste it here. So we are going to execute this from the what do you call product table, right? So let me copy this. Yeah, so this is the here's the answer to the first question. So this is easy. So now we have to answer the second question. So second question means that you need to find the relational algebra query. You need to form a relational algebra query to find username and password from system login table, I think. So system login table is this, and you need to find username and password. So I mean, you need not find, you need to view the only username and password columns from system login table. So that's that. Okay. So yeah, now we are going to use also the projection. So select the 5 mark here, and then we are gonna view username and password, right? So copy field name, so only put a comma here, and then we are all done. Now we have to select the table that this query will execute in. So this query will execute in system login table, so copy that, paste it here. Yeah, so that's the answer to the second question. Now we have to find write the answer, form the answer to the third question. So now you have to select like 3 columns: user ID, first name, last name, from registered user table. So user table is, so this is the user table. So user ID, first name, last name, I think. Yeah, so once again you can use like selection, no, not selection, sorry, projection operator. So just let me refresh, rename this user ID, first name, class name from what do you call user table, right? So copy this and paste it here. And yeah, so this is done. So that answers the third question. Now we have to answer the fourth question. Fourth question suggests that now ignore this answer. So let me just, okay, how do you do this? Yeah, I need you to not view that answer. So you need to think by your own. So if you just, so that ignore that. So create a relational algebra query to see the product name and the description of the products whose brand name is Bata. So use they give us a hint. So as use the brand ID as 2 from so this is misleading, so don't use this because you have to execute both queries from what do you call the product table. So here's that. So to do that, first of all, I mean the way of writing this is the way I'm figuring this out is first of all you can write the selection first and then the projection. So the way, but since we are on Word and Word have like some bugs, so we are just gonna use this. We have to keep in mind when forming that, but we are gonna use like the other way around just to make this view. And yeah, so we are selecting the product name and description, right? So let me copy this product name description, copy as field name only, and put a comma here. I really don't recommend thinking this way around. You have to think the other way around. I will show you what I mean when I finish this relational algebra query. So now we need to use the selection. The brand ID is 2. So selection is operator is sigma. So okay, the subscript right here, y, and then let me go here and make this normal text. And yeah, so brand ID is 2, right? So okay, you can't select this. Let me write this brand ID equals 2 from the brand table. No, not brand table. So this is, that's why I call this is misleading. So you need to do the execute two queries from the what do you call the product table. So yeah, let me copy this and make this product table. And yeah, so you need to think the other way around. So you need to first think of the selection that you are gonna do and then the production projection. So yeah, and yeah, that answers all our questions. So now you just zoom out. So the first question is this. So in that question we selected the product name from column product name from the product table, and in the second question we have selected username and password from the system login table. In relation in third question we have figured out to select user id first, not select, view user id first name last name from user table. And in fourth question we have combined both selection and projection unary operators, and then we have selected first selected the products whose brand ID is 2, and then viewed the product name and the description of those columns of those records. And yeah, I think that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you next time. Peace.